Yo, so long that the female little will come, brother?
It soon come, man.
Brother, a long time there saying, man.
Not sure a good while there still.
Yo, you didn't know, say, this a blue hole here about 100 odd feet deep.
Oh, yeah, man.
And the deeper you go, you go down, as you go down to your salt level, to your sea level,
Yeah.
the water gets
It's
salt.
salt. Yeah, man.
Right now you can go right, you can also put a pan down there so right now and catch water and carry home go drink.
Nice.
So brother, your girl look good.
That man, nice. She nice.
This is nice.
Nice.
Cause you don't know your thing going on.
You know, some family say nice. You know what I mean? Alright. Yeah.
Brother, she take too long though, dog. God no, man.
That's true. I want to know evening nice, you know? Ready? I show you this coming already.
Hi, Randy.
Hey, what happened, Vanessa?
I'm okay. What's up?
There, man. Ready? Vanessa, you know? So, Vanessa. Me ready, meet Vanessa.
Okay.
So, I left for them, I'm going to do the thing, you know?
So I'm safe?
Yeah, man, I'm secure, man.
Sure?
Yeah, man, I ready this, you know?
Okay.
Good with ready, man, with the boss. Ready? And enjoy, yeah?
All right.
So,
Hi. Hi.
what's your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa?
Yeah.
As my brother did tell you already, Roddy.
Okay.
So like the artist name Roddy Rich, but Roddy.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, and then nice, eh?
Thank you. Nice seeing you.
So where you from originally?
Where am I from? Petersfield.
Yeah. Alright, the person from
Oh.
Right now, you see, them time of evening is the best time to actually be at Rolling River right now. You can actually see the fish them jump up out of the blue hole, like if look, you see them?
So you like nature?
I love nature.
Okay.
I love nature. I love everything about nature. I wish Eve never eat the apple so we could still make it.
You're funny.
I have a very nice smile now.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. Kind of nervous too.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, you're surprising.
Am I ugly?
Ugly? You know, they know when you're ugly. Come on. Ugly. Why you don't say that by yourself?
Just say you're nervous. I
Nervous.
guess.
I'm nervous because this is the first time I actually meet in person.
Yeah, you're good looking.
Well, man not feel good looking still. Man feel,
You have a buzz then.
well, you better say that.
Oh, okay.
Watch it, look this way. Hey, you know what I say? Like every time I walk past yourself, I see this.
You bring back memories.
Yeah, like. But I'm not feeling like similar. I enjoy being with you.
That makes two of us.
So like, when are you going to meet the family? Cause I mean, want to meet your family?
When the time is right. I know we have been dating for some time, but it's still too early.
Vanessa,
When I'm ready, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen.
Vanessa, what, God forbid, what if something should happen to you? Or if something happen to you? And me sure. You don't think so them are going to wonder who me be? Eh?
You have to think positive. Death and life is in the tongue. Just speak positive. Nothing will happen to me. I'll be okay. You'll meet my family when the time is fit.
Don't say I will, and I know you have to kind of turn me on a little bit. Come on, I'll go upside now.
What?
Go up. Come on. Come on, you know you like it, you know. Come on.
Yeah, man. Love you too. Alright. Cool.
Morning.
Good morning, sis.
What going?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm there. Yeah, smile. What going?
Hmm? Sis, I'm gonna tell you. Good news. I'm in love. There's this guy in my life now. I mean, I have a man now.
They say you have a man, you find man?
Yes, sister.
Me not believe you.
This is my real face. I'm not lying. I'm being honest.
Well, congratulations.
Well, thank you.
Me happy for you.
For you?
For real.
Thank you. Sorry, I look on like that.
Hmm?
But you still can't believe I'm a fine man. Hmm? What you expect? Sis, what you expect?
Nothing there. I me say congratulations. I'm happy for you.
Well, as I said before, thanks. Yeah, I just hope that you'll be able to meet him soon.
Well,
You want to meet him?
sure.
So how about you? How you look so? Me talk to you and you look to the side. What's wrong?
Me not have that on my head right now. Me not have no relationship on man on my head right now. Me and him salt. Me alright.
You fine?
No. I gotta relax.
You're not fine, but you're going to relax.
I'm eating salt, but I just want to relax.
Oh. Okay. That's what I really want to tell you still, that I'm no longer single. Your big sister is no longer single.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, sis. Babes.
Watch out. Friend of me, you know. Hey. Yeah, come on then. You know how long they have to wait for you? Hmm?
Well, Ush.
What did you say you have to tell me now?
Ready, baby. I got this opportunity to travel to Kingston, a job opportunity to make my life better. Something I've been praying for, hoping for, and the time has finally arrived. And I think this is the best thing to take at the moment. So I have to travel to Kingston for this.
Well, you know, so me always support you in everything. I'm happy say you get a new opportunity. That means now that you get the job now, is either one thing, you know, me have to start look for come at town more often, we can spend weekends with you and things, because I don't know, me still have to, you know?
Babe, you talk it so simple. It's not that simple. This job, it's going to consume me time-wise, energy-wise. I don't see where this relationship is going to work or to make sense. Being that we're so distant, we're going to be distant. You're all the way in Westmoreland while I'm in Kingston. It can't work, babe.
Babes, how far is it from Westmoreland to Kingston? I just 3 hours, you know. It's not like, say, a foreign year ago or you migrate go on different country. We're still in a Jamaica. It's just 3 hours away. So it's not if me just come up one weekend, come spend with it. Babes, you understand, say, me love you? You understand the amount of energy me put in at this relationship, yeah? You have the amount of things that we go through, eh?
I agree, I understand, I am sorry. But it's not all about the distance. What about the time?
Babes, look, it's just 3 hours from Kingston, you know, from Westmoreland to go to Kingston. So look, and I like say, yeah, migrate, go foreign or nothing. Vanessa, I love you, you know. I put in everything what I have in this relationship, and this you can tell me.
So you think some love you too. You don't think someone the best for us.
So-
As a matter of fact, I love you, but you love me more. I got to do what's best for me.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Everything good. You got to get the opportunity and go on. Because guess what? You're not going to style me, you know.
It's not style, just understand me, babe. What's the sense of I being in Kingston while you're in Westmoreland? As I said, that's so far away, plus I'll be so busy. I got to focus and to devote myself to the job. Yeah,
You know what?
it's funny.
You know what? Vanessa,
Babe, just know that things can change, things can get better. For now, just keep your fingers crossed. I'll call you.
so wait, let me understand what you say. You tell me now, say, things can get better.
Of course.
So why since you tell me this now? If things can get better, why you tell me this for? Eh? That means you don't believe in
I did not say things will get better. I said things can get better, meaning there's a possibility. So just put your fingers crossed.
So wait. We must take a relationship and put it upon a possibility of it working out. We just take what you say now and just put it upon a possibility of it working out.
Yeah.
When I say, you know, say, I'm a mad girl though. You're mad. You hear that way, all the way you tell me, say, is madness. Cause no sensible somebody. You're in a Jamaica. Jamaica is a very small place. So if you're going to tell me, say, you go to town and this can't work up, that's a long distance relationship. You don't know about that distant relationship. People live a foreign and have man out here and them a live good. And people live a town and have man even have Ochi and Mobi and a live good. So you tell me, say, a man you finding a girl.
Babe, it's not like that. As I said, it's gonna consume me time-wise. What's the sense of a relationship when I can't see you as I would love to? What about when I want me to touch you, to hold you, to squeeze you? What about those, babe?
AI come out now where we can send picture. You can type in, say, write in, send me show me of my man, and AI can do it. You. So what you tell me, say, madness you chat. But take your time and do what you do. I hope we wish you the best, Vanessa. Vanessa, we wish you the best.
I'll call you once there's a
Don't
change.
call me phone. That me I tell you. Just do your thing. You hear me I tell you?
You know,
Look for me good. Nobody love me. Cause that way I tell me say, they're foolishness. Just do your thing.
one last hug for now, please.
Hug your papa. And that me I tell you, sir, I don't come deal with me either, you know, girl. And that me I tell you, you know. Fool, that man. You hear? And nobody think say it go, sir. You hear me I tell you, 'cause you hear that, girl. Nobody feel like say it go, so. That me I tell you.
I apologize, I'm sorry.
Apologize to your mama.
Yo, Mary called me on the phone today. Where that say? Hey, look, someone.
Bro. If I know me and Vanessa, dog, you ever see me a disrespect Vanessa yet?
No, brother, never, brother. How happened now?
Brother, tell me if this right. She get a work at home. See?
Yeah.
And she a come tell me, say, she get a work at home and this not gonna work no more because long distance relationship no work and so me I say, like, what you say to me?
So, she can't come down a weekend time or you can go check her or something.
So now that me I try to tell her, but me know what she tell me that, you know, me know say some nights or some money have no cause watch me a man, brother, we know all this and everything. Me never try to cheat on her yet, you know. Me never try to cheat on her yet, and that she can't tell me today, brother.
She
So
said,
like she tell me say, me can't come up there because she want to get her thing up and she want to focus on her and then something, brother. Tell me if you style thing that day.
Yeah, that's
And you not go say, you know.
That sound like she at distance from you, you know. Mm-hmm.
You not go say, brother. What you even know? Cause what you know?
So you plan for do? What you sound, son? What you plan for do now?
Brother, me not even know, you know. Right now,
You know why you get yourself in no trouble, you know, brother. You know that now.
funny one thing, we just do with all him mother too, you know.
And mother, your son just stick this to do, brother. And so far you gone, I think, man.
You know what? You know what?
So you
You know what?
stop when you come with that now. You know you too much, you know.
Our sister, me never talk to his sister yet. His sister, no. Nice. Looking fully too. And he works so in the town and I wonder if me could have, me mash her up. Cause she can't tell me, say make sure she threaten me. You know. Watch what me do. Me there with his sister. And show him say nothing ramp with me. Cause watch man, me never try to disrespect her yet, you know.
So what on? You think I best way that, brother?
So how is me feel better?
Alright.
Me must say me never cheat on her yet, you know. So how me feel better? Me better me there with his sister then, man. She's still at home and me doing so it's still in her family.
Alright, brother, you know, anything will make you feel happy as a man then, you know? Just do the right thing, you know?
Then sis, all of the edit tell me say, you're gonna make me meet your boyfriend. So I'll know me not meet your boyfriend.
My boyfriend? That's in the past. Thank God I did not allow for you to meet him. Thank God. We're no longer dating.
Why? What happened?
Because I'm going to Kingston. I'm leaving, so that relationship cannot work. It just won't work.
So you tell me say true because you get work and you move to Kingston, you left the man.
Obviously, yeah. What I mean? Long distance relationship to me, it makes no sense. What about when he miss me and I miss him? Tell me about that part of it. He's gonna stray and maybe I do the same, so to avoid all that, it's best to just stay by myself, pack to Kingston, start a better life, work some money, and stuff like that. It's about choices, and I've made my choice.
Alright.
So what? Think about yourself.
Me
Yeah,
I think
about
about
him.
myself. I'm not ready for no boyfriend yet.
Oh, okay.
Hope you have a good journey.
You gonna miss me?
Of course.
You sure?
Of course. You have to come back and look for me, you know?
Or if not, what?
Remember me and you grew up from a little till now. So you would have left me out?
You think I would do that? You're my baby sister, my younger sister, my everything. I love you, sis.
Love you too. Alright, me there. Hope you reach up safe and everything. Hope you call me, message me like you used to. And about that switch or change.
Not on you. Maybe I'm that guy. Not on you. But I thought you'd mention to me that maybe you'd love to come by on the weekends. I don't want to come by eventually.
Well, I will think about it.
You don't like Kingston?
Never saw me no like Kingston, Louis. Think about it. What if it come to a point of me find a look boyfriend? Me not gonna be like you, run around a town of the man.
Stacey, you can't just throw the dirt on my face like that, man. Relax now. It's just what's best for the moment.
Okay.
Why not about boyfriend? Why not about boyfriend?
I'm just saying.
You ever dated a guy before? Talk to me.
Nope.
No. I know you, sis. From ever since you're just this sneaking type, me know you. You must have man back then. I remember son of a man where I had to talk to. But it's all good still. Me I talk to you in the phone. Talk back to me now.
What you want me to say?
Yeah, you did have a boyfriend?
No. I'm eating salt, but I'm not ready as yet.
No. Anyways, I'm gonna miss you though.
Miss you too.
I'll call you. I promise I won't forget you. I'll call you. I promise. And just be nice. Take care of yourself for me. Avoid trouble. Protect yourself from love and all that mess. Give me a hug. Oh my God. I love you.
Take care.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave now. Taxi, I'm coming. Have you tried about that? She the taxi up low.
Oh, salt and everything in that bag.
Wow, Cheryl, what go on? Long time I see. All right. Come on. Auntie. Hello.
Good afternoon.
You know, so I look for one shoes because I want a little graduation and come up and I want a nice little clocks.
Well, this is a brown one, you know? I like that one.
So how much is this?
$25,000.
25,000? No, we can't get no better.
Well, I just start working here.
Alright. Alright, no one down here still. But oh, you're working here and you look so nice.
We expect.
A long time I know Auntie, you know. Long time I know Auntie and Cheryl and everybody. So, the first me even know say you're even working here.
Well, I just start.
Yeah, sorry, where you come from?
I come from one place named Petersfield.
That's fair.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I know where I come from, Tina.
Really?
Which part up there?
The scheme.
A lie. You know saying no Mattox. Don't tell me
It's me know.
2 Mattox you know?
Yeah.
You want more well. I want Mattox here, Petersfield.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know, I figure I can get to know each other then, man.
Sure. You look
Shit.
nice though.
A phone.
Oh, you can put it in on my phone.
Alright, so
What can I say because?
you know that artist named Roddy Rich? But not Roddy Rich, Roddy.
Alright, Roddy.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah man, so just put this in a bag for me. Ask you.
Alright.
There?
Come eat the ice cream. I'm ready. You know, someone want to apologize to bring her with me. True, because our mother they at work and nobody know they want to keep her, so they have to bring her with me.
Come on man, that's no problem. Good thing you're here.
I mean, they want to disappoint you, so I just have to bring her with me.
Yeah man, it's good that you're practicing because you know when you know so from here. Possible one can come in your belly too. Where's my ice cream? What's her name?
Layla.
Layla, because my ice cream. No, some of your ice cream on. You okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
So you blush up.
No, I just appreciate the fact that you bring me up on a date because nowadays them man yeah, they don't know no when them date. Them just one day and just that's it.
I mean, intimacy sometimes is not just in the bedroom, you know, man. It's nice to have a little conversation and get to know each other. What's wrong?
Our spoon drop.
Oh, I'm gonna get you another one, alright?
I'm gonna get the spoon for you.
How this? Me say, man, what's up, girl?
I'm a there. Let me just come out Kyrene a fall.
So, what's up?
But here say get work at town.
Well, I did. Thanks be to God. Who tell you?
Your sister tell me.
My sister?
Yes, you're not even call me and tell me say you left the community.
I lost the number, obviously, but I mean, you know, you can always come back a number. I'm sorry about that, though.
Anyways, me know say you know this cause you're not really down your side again. But you know say your sister already there.
What?
Your sister already there.
My sister and Roddy Day. Which Roddy that?
Your ex-man.
My Roddy? A joke you make.
I know you're ready again.
A prank you prank me. A joke you make. You serious?
Of course, we're serious.
My sister, as in my little sister, what me love, what me go check now. When me leave from all the way at town, so me I come look for surprise her. A joke you make.
We look like somebody we are on joke.
Well, Bella, thank you so much for telling me. Thank you.
Listen. Oh, you know, but I'll call my name to your sister and I say me said this or say me said that. Because me in a the sister mix up business. Oh, you tell her because you tell me.
So you don't trust me by now. Me your friend, you know?
Me never said me
Me
don't
your
trust you.
friend. But pick up a nice screen so still to tell me.
Alright.
Loyalty.
Lord Jesus. Sis, you come. How happen now?
Me hate you at the moment.
What me do?
Who give you the right to go down with my man? As in my ex-man. Who give you the right?
Which man?
As in my ex-man. Which is still my man, because I still love him.
Which man that?
Roddy, of course, Roddy.
So all me if you know say you already did there.
What I mean by open know? Why I these days, sis? What kind of style that?
Listen, me never know say you already there. Remember you did tell me say you gonna make me meet him. I know me no meet him. And so what? You left the man and gone at town. So what if me there with the man now?
You serious, sis?
Me serious?
You hear yourself?
Yes.
After all these things that me had to feel as an older sister, mommy dad and God, I'm treat you good, me make you move in with me. I had sleep with my man and there with my man that come back.
Hold up.
Me say this or whatever.
It was your man before. You and the man left. You left the man gone at town.
It doesn't matter whether I be Town, Kingston, Spanish Town, Spain. It doesn't matter. I still my man. We still have that band chemistry connection, everything same way, not change. It's just the fact that him the country and me that Kingston.
Well, left him and me now left me. Love him too.
This little crowd. You stick my stomach.
So you blame me for something?
You know me not like you? I'm disappointed in you. Since you really look at me, your older sister and stab me in my back, and I go tell me, say, sis, me love him, and me not left him. Me didn't ask her to let him.
So all me stab you in a year back now? Remember, you tell me say relationship done. Next thing, me never know say you and him did day.
I wonder for a long time you do with Roddy. Anytime you Roddy did that talk, you go on like say you don't know my man.
Jeez,
Me I pray you know, sis. Me I pray you.
so that you really come left from home, come there to come argue with me.
I grab me one, grab you.
Then I'm back where you come from, please. You don't know what is a good man.
So you know. You're grown enough to come teach me who is a good man. What sweet shall sour you. Okay, you start it, I'll finish it. Look up a nice spring so. Continue. Don't stop.
Ready? Ready?
Vanessa, I want to you. Vanessa, what is for? You know something you left?
You see you, Roddy? You're nothing but a load of shit. How could you? How could you sleep with my sister? As a matter of fact, date my sister. How could you? You're nothing but a piece of arsehole. You see you? Me hate you. Say you can't talk. You're speechless.
You see you? Let me tell you this. Nobody come on me yard with them listen me. You hear me tell
What you mean?
First thing first, you left me and say you're gone to town because I get new opportunity. And you left me down here by myself. Oh, me know, me didn't even know your family. When me tell you say me want to come a family reunion and this, where you do? You know care me. So how me know say I did your sister? Eh? Me can't tell the difference between you and fear. Because how me ever know?
Where does that make sense? Where does that make sense?
The best
You
thing-
don't know my sister? You really don't know my sister?
Vanessa, where you know your sister from? Eh? When me if I know your sister?
Know yourself.
Me know nothing about your family them?
Know yourself. It's what me done with you. Ella broke loose.
What you don't know? What that supposed to mean?
Make sure they can start where you finish, here.
You know what? The best thing you do, you better go on back where you come from, here. Because I want to know how me supposed to know say your sister. Me not know nothing about your family them, you know, Vanessa. And you come and so come go and like you want to come disrespect me, you know. Eh?
You call it disrespect. Okay, don't worry yourself. Just relax, Mr. Roddy, all right? But guess what? Two can play that game, all right?
So what that supposed to mean?
Two can play that game.
What that supposed to mean?
Make sure so
No,
whatever you
but what
start,
what-
you can finish.
So what that supposed to mean? I threaten me? You really coming at me and I feel like I want to come threaten me?
So that's a
Come out of me, here. Come out of me. Here. Come out of me. I'm gonna feel like taking you. How you do? Remember what you do, you hear? Remember what you do? Hey, baby.
Now, hey, baby, I want to talk to you about something.
So, what you have to tell me now, babes?
I don't even know how to explain. You know, say, my sister Vanessa come to me.
Vanessa. I don't know your sister. I don't know your sister. No sister for your name, Vanessa.
What you mean you don't know my sister when name Vanessa?
Vanessa. Babes, you talk like say me know your family them. I don't know your family them.
Roddy, what you mean you don't know Vanessa, my sister? She come here today in a one piece of big argument. Boy, you.
But me? This is what you mean she come out today with an argument about me. What she say? What she say? Who?
She come to me and I say, you know, I did day.
Vanessa. Vanessa made the talk to him from that the girl that left me and that the girl that left long time. Right now she at town, she there. She left me and gone at town. So we don't know which Vanessa that
I'm a sister. I'm a big sister.
Yeah, like that. It's just a prank. Where camera there? Eh?
I don't know prank. I'm a sister. As a matter of fact, I know say I'm a sister the long time.
So how me get involved in this now? Cause watch you know. First thing first. Me not really know say I'm Vanessa's sister. Me and Vanessa did attack, but me and Vanessa left long time.
You
No.
remember that time when I beg you a call? I'ma go through your phone. From them time, then me find out say yeah, my sister did there. But me never really make it be a problem to me. But it a get out of hand now.
So I can never say something to me.
Me never really want to say nothing to you, but me should have come to you from them time there.
Khalid, look. Yes, my sister did attack. Yes, we did attack, yes, but I never know serious. And a long time, I never know say you and her sister.
It a get out of hand right now. See, she come in a big argument with me.
You know why? Because she's jealous. She jealous. Because she sister me a treat you, you'll get better treatment you know. She jealous. Khalid, nobody makes you stress you, man. Nobody.
Hello.
Vanessa, what happened?
I'm good. So, I'm surprised to see you here. What's up?
Yeah, me too, me there, have a drink, easy man, you know?
Oh, perfect timing.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I'll sit beside you, if you don't mind.
So,
I guess, yeah.
look like all this one, good you.
You're looking lovely.
Mm.
Mm.
I come with now my sister.
Your sister.
My sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law. That was in the past. We left.
Oh, yeah.
You forgot?
Yeah, for sure. But you know so much happened, man. I don't keep track of certain things.
Anyways, let's just talk about the present. You're looking great. I always like, you know.
Thanks, I appreciate that, but are you is a no.
What do you mean by that?
Because you know, so yeah, my brother did so good.
Did so good.
Yeah, but my brother, I can't do that to my brother.
Doesn't matter about brother not. You might always want and like and I love you.
Oh, God.
Can you imagine that? I'm in love with you, baby.
Well,
What are you drinking, Dragon?
Dragon, yeah? It's a sick one looking Dragon, but you know what I said? That important negative though, my sister.
Negative.
Because I don't care why you're still my sister, you know. So, you know,
So you don't want anything to drink, you're not thirsty.
you know, I'm there already a sick one Dragon. So, you know, I'm not stressing up.
Dragon must taste, but you want something sensible to drink? Something tasty?
Well, you're a call, so
What do you drink? What do you want? What do you want?
let's get that drink.
What name so?
Magnus.
Magnum Utter Cool.
Take it for.
Hello?
I use the restroom and come back, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, but you can hardly drink and come back.
Okay. Bartender?
come back, I see you buy Magnum, man. Thanks, yeah?
Yeah, ice.
Yeah, man, when I'm ready, I go and support the dragon, you know?
I just realized we both are in white. Maybe one day I can be Mrs. White.
That now I'm still, you know, yeah, no matter what, I still my sister in line.
Back to the sender.
I would not cross the line.
Back to the sender. That was in the past.
Yeah, man, pass, man, but remember, say, Roddy and me have blood brother.
Forgot about that. Forgot about that. Just pause and focus on me. You don't like me. Me don't look nice.
Like you're a sister.
Me don't look cool. Me don't look good. Eh?
Like you're for my brother.
Funny.
Vanessa! 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 Vanessa!
It's what?
Hey girl, come here. You see you? You see you? You see you? My girl, you see you? You see for them one thing, I come over there, come kick you down.
So do it.
What kind of picture that I sent to my phone?
Oh, the picture.
Oh, the picture. Oh, the picture. What kind of style that there? Eh? Them the picture that we sent to my phone. A style you want to style me. Eh?
Oh, the picture. So now we know how it feels to sleep with my sister. So how it feel now to sleep with a brother. Amazing, right? You're upset.
How you feel for me sleep with my brother? How you feel for you sleep with two brother? That look good to you? That look good to you?
Of course. What do you mean? Fantastic.
You sound like a bitch right now. I'm sorry for calling you a bitch, but you sound like a bitch. That no sound good, Vanessa.
Maybe
How you
I'm a-
feel sleep with two brother? I'm a brother that you know I'm a brother.
I guess I'm a bitch. Proud bitch. Yeah. So you're upset? Why? You start it. I promise I would finish it. You start it. I finish it. It's just a taste of your own medicine, baby.
Don't touch my man. Vanessa. Yes, me sleep with your sister, you know. But you know me sleep with your sister because me love you. That's why me sleep with your sister. Because you disrespect me because you tell me say yo you got a ton and this and long distance relationship and this not gonna work. So me just say yo, I just deal with your sister and try to style her. Me never did that. Me never. Vanessa, me love you, you know. Me love you. All of that what me do is because you disrespect me, Vanessa. And I don't know, joke thing. And that way you do, that way you do with me brother, a style thing that and that low. That's the lowest you could have ever go. That not look good. That me I tell you.
Say Zoo.
What I mean say?
Say Zoo.
So how you feel now? Alright, yeah, you're sex too, brother. What you accomplish from that? What you accomplish?
You feel great. You know why? I got the perfect reaction from you. And you know what? You're gonna lose my sister plus your brother. How great is that?
Everything good, you know, because they say what no cause life, no cause nothing. If you feel like say you want to date two brother, you can go there with my cousin too, you know. and keep it in our
No,
family.
your father will be
That
nicer. Your father blood will be stronger. I don't need a cousin.
You remind me of Brooke from Bold and the Beautiful. Everything good. Yo, Randy.
What are you doing, brother?
Yo, look how you deal, brother. Nothing, brother. What kind of style like my youth?
How you sound so, my brother? What go on?
Let me know my son, so. And even you set me up on Vanessa. And you really go behind my back, brother, and sleep with Vanessa, my youth.
Oh, me, brother? Brother, you're a trip man, brother. Nah, man. You lick your head, brother. How am I do that?
Brother, I have evidence.
Brother, you can't have no evidence, brother, because that's a negative.
Negative. Now you have Vanessa this in a bed.
I don't mean that, brother. It's some AI business, that, brother.
Randy, hear me, I say. Over Vanessa yard me I come from. And Vanessa even admit it out her own mouth. Say, I too us because she want to get back at me, brother.
Yo, Roddy, that can't be real. As I tell you, it's some AI business. You know me not do that to you, brother.
You know what?
know that, Roddy, so me not do that to you, Roddy.
You know what? Everything good. Just know, say, as of today, this your brothership you done. Just know, say, anytime you see me come up with me yard, when me come there, don't come there. Because watch you know, then say friend treat you better than family, and that's true. Because if you are my one brother and you can look for me and have sex with my girl, brother, a style thing,
Roddy.
everything good.
Roddy.
But I never do that to you, brother.
Roddy.
Me, would I never do that to you as a brother?
I said, you know, see, I said somebody had tried to set me up, Roddy. You
Set
know,
up.
see that, Roddy?
Set up.
Think about it, Roddy.
Everything
All right,
good.
brother.
Everything
Bless
good.
up.
Wish you had good sleep from me.
Because I love you. That's why I sleep with your sister. Because you disrespect me, because you tell me, say, yo, this and that, this style relationship and this dog. So we just say, yo, I just do with your sister and try to style you. I never do that. I never. But it's something I love you, you know.
Wow. Really?
So, if you have sex with two, brother, what accomplished around that?
It feels great. You know why? I got the perfect reaction from you. And you know what? You lose my sister plus your brother. How great is that?
Everything good, you know, because they say what no cost life, no cost nothing. If you feel like say you want to date two brothers, like, yeah, I'll go there with my cousin too, you know, and keep it in our
No,
family.
your father blood will be stronger. I don't need a cousin.
You remind me of Brooke from Bold and the Beautiful. Honey! Then babes, how can you look, sir?
Don't babes me. Come sit down here, sir. Don't babes me.
Because I love you. That's why I sleep with your sister.
Really?
Because you disrespect, because you tell me, say, yo, you got torn and this and that, this relationship and this naga world.
Me not understand. Tell me. Really?
Babes, look.
Don't babes me.
Callie, look now. You see your sister? She's a manipulative bitch.
You know, don't do that. Don't call me sister bitch.
Then-
Because I can't believe. Because they want to get back at my sister. You come there with me. You fake everything.
Callie, look.
If you ever touch me.
Me know you think say everything what me do did fake, but it never fake. Callie just, you know what Callie do? Stay so bam and actually go sleep in brother and
What
send me
that have to do with me and what that have to do with you? You're not down there.
Yeah, but I'm a brother. That
You know, so me never know you see yourself as a little dog, as a little old. Come out of my house, come out.
So I say you deal with me.
Me say come out.
Callie,
Block my number, delete every picture, everything out of your phone. Block me, come out, me not want.
you know what? Me sleep with you and me sleep with your sister. So what? I know Everything good, man. Everything good. Remember say
It's a piece of whore.
you're hungry again, here?
What you do down there? What you do down there? You come back down there for?
Sis, I come in peace this time, trust me.
What you want now?
I want you to forgive me. I'm here to apologize. The way I treated to talk to you back then about this guy, Roddy, I was wrong. The voice note can attest to that. He was the problem all this time. He wanted to create a vote between you and I. I'm sorry. I wronged you. I'm the older one. I should have reacted better. But no, because of love.
Well, I understand like based on the voice note where you send me, you know, I pick up everything, you know. He never want me. I use me to get back at you. That's why I have to run him away too.
Well, I did the best thing. I'm sorry.
Man, lie?
Them are crosses.
I mean, honestly, I never know say your name. There. I'm sorry, sister.
I'm sorry. Don't apologize to me. I'm the problem. I should have allowed you to meet my boyfriend at the time. I judge you. I accuse you. I spoke badly to you. As the older one, I regret that action of mine. Trust me. All because of love and jealousy and madness. Sis, can you forgive me?
Yes.
Can you forgive me, sis? Yeah, sure.
Yes.
We're good.
Yeah.
Give me a hug then now.
Welcome back.
Yeah, sure, you forgive me, sis?
Yeah.
And I forgive you too for not knowing and for falling from an ex-man. That's good.
Alright.
Place at door.
Really bad.
Okay. You never miss me.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be around.
Alright.
Alright. Turn the phone on if you're hot.